Hi guys, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela Web Dev. In this video, we will learn some of the useful commands in the Linux, that is about the WC command and also a sort command. So I will try to explain you the different scenarios how we will be using this one. First of all, we will see about the WC command. WC command, the full form for this one is word count. So in shortcut, we will call it as a WC. So it's a pretty simple thing which I will try to explain you. It is a handy utility in Linux and similar systems also, used for counting the various aspects of the file. Its primary function is to determine the number of lines, words or the characters within a file. So I will try to explain you this one. For example, let's say that I am going to ls here. So let's say that I am having the shopping list. Okay. So this is the shopping list file. Now this file, when I try to use this WC command on this one, it will give you the word count, how many words are there in this one. So if I try to press enter, and you will be able to see some of the numbers, that is nothing but 5, 11, 59, and the last you will be able to see the file name. So what is this concept of about this one? The first one indicates the number of lines that are available in this file. Lines means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the total number of lines available in the shopping list is 5. And the 11 means it is nothing but the word count, total number of words, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 are the total words available in the file. And the 59 is nothing but the character count. So the number of characters that are available in this one, 59. And the last one is the file name. So it is also provides the summary line with total counts when dealing with the multiple files also. I will try to explain you about that one. Multiple files, I will tell you. So WC, this word count is useful for various tasks, including getting basic file statistics like size and content volume, tracking progress of file generation or editing, scripting tasks that involves file manipulation analysis. So combining with other commands like grep and all those things, which we will try to learn in the further upcoming videos. So there are also some of the flags that are available in this WC command also. If I try to do man WC, and you will be able to see some of the options in this one, that is nothing but -c, -m, -l, -L, -w like this. So these are the things. I will try to explain you one by one in this one. So here, if I try to explain you, so let's try to clear it out. Okay, Control L also it will clear it out. So the first one is the -c option. So if you try to use the -c option for this shopping list.txt file, it will give you the total number of bytes that are it will count the bytes for this one. It will give you the bytes. And if the same scenario, if I try to do wc-w shopping list, it will give you the total number of words that are available. And if you use this -l shopping list, same thing, I will try to use it, and it will give you the total number of lines that are available. And if you try to use the same option with a capital L option, then it will give you the length of the longest line in characters. So this is the length of the longest line that is available in the file. So I hope this explanation clarifies the concept of this WC command. So when dealing with this multiple files means, for example, let's say that, what are the multiple files we are having? Sample.txt shopping list. So you can give something like sample.txt, and also the shopping list.txt. And if I press enter, so here you will be able to see this is the things which you are able to understand. So the first one gives you the line count, and the another one gives you the word count, and last one will give you the character count. And here also the same thing for the shopping list, and the total it is trying to add, and it will give you the total. So like this you can also give multiple files to get the word count, line count, and also the total number of characters that are available in this one. -m also it will give you the total number of characters. So this is all about the WC command. So it's a pretty simple and straightforward. It will give you the word count or the character count and the lines, counting the lines in the file. So now let's move on to the another one. So that is nothing but what I want to tell you is, so Control L, so it will clear it out. So that is nothing but a sort command. So the sort command means, what I will try to do is, it's a command in Linux. It's a versatile tool for organizing information in text files. It sorts the lines of the text based on your specific criteria, making it easier to analyze and interpret the data. So sorts by line means sorts reads a file and receives the input and arranges each line in a particular order. The default sorting means by default it sorts the line alphabetically. Consider the entire line as the sorting key. This means lines are ordered according to the first letter, then the second, and so on. Let's try to, we can also have a reverse by default it is an ascending order. You can also choose the descending order by mentioning -r option. So now let's try to see. So here I will be creating one normal file, nano names.txt file, okay, and here I will add some names, Alice, Charlie, and Bob, and David. Okay, so these are the files which you will be able to see. Oh sorry, yes, save it, Control S, save it, and Control X. What is happening here? Okay, press enter. Yeah, so now we have saved it. Now if you try to check this cat names.txt file, you will be able to see these are the files. Now if I try to use this sort command, so sort names.txt file, now you will be able to see that Alice has came first. Why? Because A is at the top. So now these files it will not change the contents of the file, just the output will be changed, but the content will be remain as it is only. So that is one thing which you need to understand. So here Alice and these all the things has been sorted. Now in the same scenario, I will try to format the numeric also. So sort scores.txt, and if I try to press enter, sorry, not we don't have anything, right? So let's try to create this file, nano, and I am creating this file. So here I will give 10, 5, 25, 3, 1. So like this I will give 3, 1, and Control S, save it, and Control X, exit. Now here if I try to check the scores.txt file, you will be able to see like this. Now if I try to sort scores.txt file, now let's see what will happen. See here, if you try to see here, 3 and 5 has moved to the down, okay. So 3 has moved, 5 has moved to the down, 25, 10 has came to the up, and this sorting is not in a correct manner. And I will try to show you in a simple way. Yeah, here the sorting is not in a correct manner. Why? Because so it will try to sort it by default alphabetical. I told you, right? So over here 1 is less, and the first line, first character it will try to take it 1, 1. Okay, so both are less, so it will try to keep it here, and 2, 3 like this it will try to keep it. But in order to sort this one numerically means, so you need to provide an option that is nothing but -n. Okay, -n means then it will be sorted numerically. So that is one thing you need to understand in the sorting thing. So this is -n, and also you can also use the -r option also. So here you can provide this -r option also. So like this, then it will be sorted reversely. So this is one thing which I want to tell you. And advanced sorting is also available in this one. For example, if you are having a multiple lines in this one, and if you want to sort it with it means, so then we can also use this option. So I will try to tell you. So let's clear it out, and here I will create nano data.csv file, okay, and here I can create like this, and let's say that I am having a John, and I will give the Smith, and here I will give 30, okay, and another one is Sarah, Johnson, anything, any names. So here I can give 10, and another one is Peter, Williams. So this is some kind of data which we are having like this. Let's say show. It is not writing. 1 second. Sorry, my keyboard got stuck. Let's remove these all things. Yeah. Now here I will try to do Control A, Control A, Control S, and Control X. Now if you try to see this data.csv, and you'll be able to see John Smith and 30, Sarah Johnson and Peter Williams. Okay, so these are the lines we are having. Now if you want to sort it, so you can sort it, sort data.csv, okay, and it will be sorted according to the here like this. So John, Peter, Sarah. So these according to the first characters it will try to sort, but I want to sort it according to the Smith, Williams, and Johnson. So the second lines it will be need to be sorted. So then what I need to do is sort -k, and you need to mention the column, which column you want to use sort it, and here you need to mention the file name. That's it. So now if you try to see here, so now this time Johnson, Smith and Williams. So the second column has been sorted. And if you want to mention the delimiter also, you can mention it, that the delimiter is nothing but -t, comma. If you have another thing means, so you can mention it like this also. Delimiter also you can mention it, not a problem. And if I want to sort it with the third column means, what I need to mention it is, so here you need to tell it, it's a third column. Now if you try to write it here, 10, 15 and 30. So here you will be able to see that it has been sorted. Now you can also mention that it's a numeric sort. If it is not having means -n also you can mention it, not a problem. So like this you can use the different options in the sort command in order to sort the file. So if you are having a complex data or something like this with a pattern, so you can use -k option, which denotes the columns and all those things, and -t delimiter, and you can mention this one. So this is all about the sort command that is available in the Linux. So we will learn more about this one in the upcoming videos and all those things. And if you want to check more about this one means, you can use the man sort command and the manual. Here you will be able to see all the options that has been given for this one. Okay, -r reverse we have learned it. So like this you will be able to see -k key. So you will be mentioning the location and the thing. Okay, and here you will be able to see a field separator. So that is nothing. So this is all about the sort command. Hope you understood about this concept. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.